Okay, so what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be teaching you how to solve the Rubik's cube under 5 seconds. Actually not, but I will be showing you a trick so you can fool your friends by just doing a specific scramble and then solving it under 5 seconds. So the trick for solving this cube in under 5 seconds is you have to do a specific scramble which will be written on the top. So I'll show you that how can you fool your friends by doing that scramble. So the scramble is as follows: D, L2, R2, U, L2, U2, R2, U, L2, U prime, B2, U2, and F prime, L prime, R2, D, U2, B prime, R prime, D prime, R2 and D2. So when you will show this cube to a non-cuber, the non-cuber will say, holy smoke, this is all scrambled, but actually not. You can see that you will do the scramble by green on front and white on top. Then you will reach this case where you can see green cross is made, your orange cross is made, and then we have to, and this blue is going in one move, and when we will move this blue here, this red will also come here along with it. So if you want to learn some quick cross tips, then you can check out this video which I have made for the advanced cross tricks. So let's see how you can fool your friends. So we hold this cube like hold the cube like this, not any other position, like this only, and then you will just move the blue down and just move the red down. So when you will move the blue down, you can see this pair is attached to this, and when you move the red down, it automatically get inserted with this cross piece. And then you were holding the cube like this, and you see these two pairs, and you complete these two pairs, and you have this pair, and you will have to rotate once in this solve. You will rotate now, insert this, and this makes this pair, insert this, and it's a T-perm with a U2 AUF. And that's how you can fool your friends by doing this scramble. So just practice this scramble for at least 15 to 20 times, and then you will be very fast at it. And let's see how many times that I get using this method. So now let's see how much time do I get using this method. So let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. I got the 4.18, which is nice. Okay, so let's see how much time do I get in my second try. Okay, let's see the cube. 3, 2, 1, go. 4.06. That's nice. Let's see what I get in my third try. Okay, here's our third try. So let's see what time do I get. 3, 2, 1, go. So I got a lock up there. 4.92. So as you can see, I am continuously getting sub 5 solves, and if I practice this more, and then I will get even sub 3 solves. So hope you enjoyed that video, and hope you can now just show off among your non-cubers friend and tell, hey, I can solve a cube in the 5 seconds. Can you? Okay, so that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.